get right into this. I have my gloves on. I have 2 tiers of my 3-tier organizer that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna start with the smallest one here. And let's get inside. Polymer powder, acrylic dipping powder. I just wanted to use this to sprinkle on top of the nails. Oh, comes with an applicator. This is a blue chrome. Look at how pretty. Look at it. I'm gonna put it in one of the compartments here. Let's open this up and see what's here. Working it. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. Look at those chunky glitters. Super special. I know they sent me some beautiful colors. Oh my gosh, guys. I think if I did, I'll just go, oh my gosh. If I castinate, thank you, Temu, thank you. And these are such a good size. These are 7.5 mil. Oh my, guys, I don't even, you see how I keep closing them up? It's because they too fire. They too fire. Every time I open it, it makes me want to close it back because it's like, why is this so fire? Like, every time I open it, I just want to close it back because it's just, woo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's just too fire, like. And what's this? This is top coat. Base coat. This got to be matte. Matte top coat. This is the big mama. Okay. So now, this one is huge. All right, guys. So I got this rhinestone set. Detail. So, oh my god. Oh my gosh. And I'm so happy that I have another case because the last case I got of these, it broke. And so did my heart because then I couldn't store my crystals the way I wanted to. But look at these. There's crescent moons in here. This looks like a slanted square to me. I don't know. Anyway, this is this little diamond shape here. Oh, these are so pretty, guys. They have these oblong squares, small teardrops, larger teardrops, small here. Oh, they're coming out. Okay. Oh, no, they're not. All right. So I thought they were coming out. I would take them out, guys, but there's so many. Gosh, I don't want to take them out. I do want to show you guys what they look like, though. I'm going to just separate them so you can see. This is the... Love hearts. I really love hearts. All right. So they have these heart-shaped AB rhinestones. Oh, my gosh. The cutest. This is completely shaped like a teardrop. These are just assorted sizes of the round AB crystals. But these definitely lean more towards iridescent green than purple or any other color. These are like iridescent green stones. I ordered an armrest from them. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, and it comes with a silicone mat. Okay, so there's that. And my armrest. Look at the armrest. I'm just excited. The armrest. Oh, this isn't very sturdy, guys. Temu, you're doing amazing, but I'm not saying I would want to actually rest my arm on it, and you can see it's bending. I'm not skinny, but it's like I'm not like I should be able to put my arm on it. From Temu, we don't want. Okay. But one of these so that I could practice my nail art. So these are super cute. I'm just going to take out one. I don't want to do too much. Okay, I'm going to put them all on because I'm excited.
I know that they're supposed to be straight like this so that I can put the nail on.
Look how cute. How cute. This is this. Guys, I got a cat eye magnet. Yeah. This is my cat eye magnet. Got 2 more silicone mats. I'm not even going to open these, but look at these, guys. From Temu. Got some files. I'm definitely going to season these because I can hear the pain. File. So this is the file. Okay. You know, I cannot wait to use this, guys. This is gonna be my thing. How cute. I'm definitely gonna organize my files and my brushes into here, but I should have thought this through because the first armrest was, let's see. Oh, this is the one. Y'all hear that? Wow. Get this one. This is it, okay? I could do nail art here and keep my hand steady. I think when you need to steady the hand, I feel like this would be amazing for. Like this thing, this little boo sturdy. You see how you make it work when it works? I'm gonna put it back in the box, not because I'm not ready to use it, but because I respect it. This to organize my nail tips because I have some duckies. Oh, love duckies. And this is kind of deep, so that's good. I can like stack my duckies in here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm having an attack. It's 3 grams. I've wanted these for so long. I guess these will be good to get up in the corners, especially when I do duckies and I need to buff and I don't want to like mess with my flare. I want to feel them. Ooh. Okay, I'm sold. I like them. I use Polygel. I'm gonna attempt to see how good I can get with my cuticle work if I use my wood pusher to push the Polygel into place first. I follow a girl named Tips from Teagues on Instagram, and she is amazing with Polygel, just to mold it before she starts to brush it so it can kind of form in place. And her cuticle work is so clean because she uses this. I wanted this brush so when I do like certain stuff, I can brush the nail off. I just want a nail brush so that I can do like cool things. And then I got these scissors. Oh, these are so pretty. I hope that they're sharp. I like scissors, guys, this much. These are my old like Victorian shears. I do want to get it touched up because it's kind of crappy, but yeah, love shears. Now the stonas. Look at the stonas. I just watched the Minions and I learned about the stonas. Okay. Oh, I took out too much. That's a little pear. That looks like a pear. Cute. Now you see what I mean? These are all ABs, but this one looks pink. This AB looks green, yellow. That's why I said the ones that I got, they're more on the greenish yellowish side. This is clear. Super cute charms to put on my nails. I cannot wait. And there's also pearls in here. There's pearls and caviar beads. So cute. And I had on camera. Oh, so pretty. So yes, there's these. All right, now we're gonna use some of these TEMU products. Okay, so we're gonna do a tricolor ombre today. I just wanted to try something different with all these beautiful colors that I got from TEMU. The polishes, Cassini, I'm familiar with the brand. I've used the brand before. These took a little longer to cure and they were a little on the clumpy side, but I still was able to smooth it out and get a nice result without too many lumps and bumps in it. Yeah, this Polygel by Model Ones is so buttery. Like, this is the best consistency. My favorite product has to be Model One's Polygel. I've tried other Polygels, but they're like prone to get sticky, whereas this just stays smooth and it really never messes up my brush. Okay, so this is where I discovered that Tips from Teagues is on to something, okay? She's the first person that I saw use the cuticle stick method to smooth her polygel out by the cuticle. So that's why I had to just try it. I was struggling with my brush to work the polygel around the cuticle, but the wood stick does all the work for you. When you just pat the wood stick into like right before your cuticle, give yourself some space, but if you just blend it down into the base of the nail, it's way easier to do it with the wood stick than it is with a brush. The brush is better to smooth the polygel down the nail, but if you start your bead off by patting your, like just kind of forming your apex first with the wood stick and then using the rest of the excess polygel to drag down the nail. Like, this cut my application time down and everything. This method definitely works, and I think that you polygel gals should give it a try. Like, do you see how easily and smoothly it's just blending down the nail for me? I really like enjoyed doing this set because it was so like easy. I could credit some of that to me getting better, but I just also want to credit it to the great product. So now I'm going to give you a closer angle of how well the wood stick blends the polygel into the cuticle area. So I'm just zooming in so you guys can really see how the polygel just works. Like, it literally just melts into the contours of your cuticle just by using the wood stick. And I was able to smooth it down and cover the side walls of my nails with the polygel as well, because the cuticle stick, like, I just dipped it in some alcohol and it's like forever slippery. I didn't have to re-dip it while I was doing each nail. I just kind of had to, like, before, when I laid the bead down, before I would start the nail, I would dip the wood stick in the polygel, in the alcohol one time, and I'm using 50% alcohol, guys. But I dip the wood stick in there one time, flatten out the bead, and by the next nail, I'll probably need to dip it again. Whereas with the brush, you're like constantly having to clean it for some reason. I guess it's just the wood, but the polygel does not get into the wood stick or interfere it. So yes, now I'm using my TEMU file. Yeah, this file was good. I seasoned it a bit, but it was good. I definitely would buy more of these files. These files were very, very nice. So now my favorite part, I'm cleaning off the rest of the sticky layer from my nails so that I can get into buffing with my new TEMU buffers. I have the large pink buffer block and the small mini purple buffers. My favorite was definitely the large pink one. It gave me more control and it covered more area. It just seemed like it was doing more work. Whereas with the little block, it just wasn't hitting like the pink one. So I do prefer the larger block over these mini ones, but I'm still going to use them. I have so many of them, I'm still going to use them, but I'll probably use them interchangeably, how I'm doing here. And now we're getting into the nail art with my 3-color ombre slash ombre freestyle slash, I don't even know what to call this look, guys, because I literally made it up on the go. So yeah, I don't really look at nail design inspiration or nail pictures, not often. Most of the time I'm freestyling. I'm an Aquarius. I have no issue with my creativity. So yeah, I just let myself go and, just do whatever I feel. Like, literally a freestyle every time I do my nails. And if I'm inspired by anybody, I definitely tag them because, like, I love the polygel community. It's not a lot of us, but we're very skilled. Like, I love being one of the polygel girls. No acrylic. No acrylic ever. Okay, so before I put on my top coat, I have to be honest. I am not satisfied with the lumps and bumps and bubbles in my design. Like, I really tried my best to cure it longer and do more, but this polish needs a longer cure than I was prepared for. I didn't see anything about that on the bottle, but it's fine. I'm going in with my Stone Eyes right now. I'm warning you, the adorableness is criminal, okay? These stones are so adorable. But yeah, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might like it. I am so happy to be making these videos for you guys, and I know you see I'm getting better. I love that I'm getting the supplies that I need, and I'm learning the editing that I need to learn. I'm always proud of every video that I put out for you guys, and I hope that you can tell that I put a lot of care into my videos. Look at the Stone Eyes. But yeah, and you know at the end I'm going to have a wet slow-mo because it wouldn't be a BeeLashayNails video without the slow-mo. So yeah, keep watching, guys. I'm going to finish up this set and I'm going to give you some angles and then the wet slow-mo. All right? Bye-bye.